Welcome back to another Flutter tutorial. In this episode, we'll learn how to install Android Studio on your Mac computer. So the first thing we have to do is go online and search for Android Studio. Then you select this first option right here. This is the official website to download Android Studio. Then you click on this button, download Android Studio. Once you click on this button, you have to scroll down, accept the terms and conditions, and then you have to select a version according to your processor. We have the Intel chip or the Apple chip. The Apple chip is Mac 1, Mac 2, and so on. So for me, I'm using a MacBook with an Apple chip, so I'm clicking on this option and the download will start automatically. So just wait until the download is completed and we do the follow steps. Okay, once the download is completed, just click on this option right here to show in Finder. So double click right here to open this installer, and then this windows will be open. Just drag and drop this Android Studio inside of this application folder. So once you do this, you'll see this Android Studio will be copied inside of this application folder. Now you can close those windows and then go into the launcher and search for Android Studio. Double click to open. Accept right here, click on open. So right here it will ask you if you want to send notification status to Google. If you have any problems, just select on don't send. So after that you have to install the wizard. So click on next, check this box if nothing is checked. Right here you can see we are selecting the path to our Android SDK. Just leave as it is, click on next. Next again, accept the term and condition and click on finish. So this will take some time to download all the components and dependencies for your Android SDK. So just be patient and we'll do the follow steps after everything is been downloaded. Click on finish. And now you have to come right here in the plugins tabs. We have to search for the Flutter plugin. Right here you can see that I have installed it, so I'm just gonna update it. But for you click on install. Flutter depends on the Dart programming language, so you also will install the Dart plugin. Right here you can click on install if it's not installed, and for me I just click on update, and then you can go back to Flutter plugin and just click on restart your IDE. Click on restart. Now we have our Android Studio installed and set up to develop a new Flutter project. You can see this by seeing this new option right here, Flutter new project. Click on it to create a new project, select the Flutter, and then you have to provide a path to your Flutter SDK. Remember, as we did in the previous video, we are inside of your current user Flutter dev Flutter folder. Click on next. Right here we have to name our project. So by convention the name of the project has to be all in lowercase letters, and if you need to add space between each word you can use underscore. So let's call this first underscore Flutter underscore app. And then we have to provide a location. So I'm using my desktop. I'm creating a new folder. Let's call this Flutter underscore projects. Click on create, and then you select this folder and create a new one. This will be first underscore app. Click on create and then click on open. Then you can add some description to your project. let's call this first project, and then we have to provide a template. By default we have the application template, but you can also develop your plugins, package, and so on. So for us, we'll select this application, and then you can give a name for your organization. So let's call this design DEVDSNDUO .flutter tutorial. So right here you can select the language for the Android to be Java or Kotlin. You can select what are your target platforms. So you have the target for Android, iOS, Linux, macOS, web, and Windows. So our application will target all these clients right here. So if you want to develop just for Android and iOS, you can uncheck this box right here. So just click on create. And now we have our project. In the next video, we'll explore each one of these folders inside of this project and the files. This is it for this video. In the next video, we'll learn how to set up our Android device and how to run this first application. See you on the next one.